Hello guys, so I have received this HDMI HD capture card. It is USB 3.0 compatible. Let's unbox it. Let me show you what comes included. Inside the box, we're going to be receiving our user's manual, spec card, and also a warranty card. We're going to be receiving our capture card right here. You will also be included with this USB-A 3.0 connector right here. It's a USB-A to USB-A. Notice the blue ends right here. That means this is a 3.0. And you will also receive this USB-C to USB-A converter. This you will actually install on one of the ends in case you're connecting to a Mac or you're connecting to a tablet like we're doing in this video. Now, without further ado, let me connect everything so that way you can see how easy it is to start streaming on your tablet using your computer from your Switch 2. Before we get it connected, let me show you each one of these entrances or ports. You will have an out and an in HDMI port. You will have this USB-A connector, and you will have the audio out and a mic in. Grab this HDMI cable, connect it to the back of your Switch 2, connect this to in, and you will grab your USB-A provided. You will connect your USB-A cable and attach this adapter to Type-C so that way we can connect our tablet. We will connect our iPad and launch our app for streaming. This streaming app will immediately show us whatever is showing on the screen on our Switch, and now we can actually start controlling our Switch right here. We are ready to stream to YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, Tribono, and custom depending on your streaming software. And we can actually see ourselves right here on this camera. We can just set up, whatever we're doing. And it's that simple, guys, for this capture card to actually work with your tablet. Also, it works with Windows. It works with your Mac. You have to have your special streaming software so that way you can start streaming. But, essentially, it's very, very simple. If you want to hear the sound coming out of the Switch, you can actually use the auxiliary port and connect it to a speaker so that way you can actually get the sound coming out of it, and this way you can actually enjoy a better gameplay. Okay, while you're actually streaming, you also have the ability of connecting a microphone so you can communicate with whoever's watching your stream, and they can also hear your voice. All this setup is very simple and very fast. You can actually just use any of these connections to start your stream channel and start streaming your gaming. I hope that the information about this HDMI video capture card for the Switch 2 was helpful. Definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.